All right. Hello to the YouTubes. Hope everyone is well. Just want to do a quick short for determined veteran. Remember John. Heat deflectors. He just did a install of some heat deflectors on his bike. Mine were custom painted by a combat veteran. And life is good, you know. I've been laid up for about 4 months. That's why y'all haven't heard from me. I've been out 4 times in the last 4 months. But that's about it. Ain't been anywhere. I am a bitchin' bird. And you know. Just remember to stay ornery. But alright, y'all. God bless you. Stay safe.